Hello everyone. I'd like to describe the project that I invented for CLIL and action songs this week. Unfortunately, the videos do not work on Screencast-O-Matic. The sound is completely distorted, so I will just describe it, but I will put the PowerPoint with all of the links and also the board game on the on our forum, our discussion forum there, where we are to put our assignment. Anyway, so the three words that I'm going to be working on are precipitation, condensation, and evaporation. And of course, the three subjects are science, music, and English for the CLIL project. 8 or 9-year-olds is probably the best age for this. With a basic A1 vocabulary, they know how to use the present simple and weather words. They know how to talk about weather. So the first video that I would like you to watch, because it's very well done, it's a British child who is explaining the water cycle with very, very clear drawings, examples, and there's also an easy experiment at the end. And I would, as we watch the video, I would stop and have the children repeat evaporation, condensation, precipitation, because these are the three words that then we will be using in the action song, which is the second phase here. This is a very, very short action song, but it concentrates on these three words with actions. And so that's our goal, is to have them using these new words also as CALP words, while of course in the activities using the BICS, the basic interpersonal communication skills. Then I went back on tools for educators that we used last week for our board games and made this word search. I think it would be great for them to do it in couples so that they could practice their conversation. They should be using English only here. So for example, oh, I see precipitation. Where? Here. Oh, yes, you're right. Something very, very simple, but they are using English to communicate. There are the answers. And then there's a video of a more complex song. This is not an action song, but it's very easy to learn, and it would help them remember all of the various phases of the cycle, as well as improve their English and their pronunciation, of course. This is the same song with lyrics only. This is intentional. The first one, of course, we know that we should not have the children be reading until they already are able to pronounce all of the words, etc., and then they can connect them to the writing at this stage. I also made a board game here where they can also review their weather words, but you could use these also for precipitation. For example, it's raining, oh, precipitation, etc. And so I thought this would be a good activity that they could do in groups of 4. So again, they would be practicing their English in a peer situation, sort of a cooperative learning situation. For assessment, there are all sorts of worksheets available free online. This is one I chose, where they just have to write the words, the correct words, and maybe they could color it or something. This is probably too simple. There are lots of more complicated ones too. And of course, the object of using songs is to have them continue singing them, which of course they love anyway. So this is good. I also found this African American rap and action song. I invite you to look at it, and if your class likes it, they could create something similar also. So I think that is the last slide. Yes, it is. So thank you for watching, and we'll be in touch on the forum. Bye-bye.